Parker here with Alicia Thomas, and we are local realtors. If you consider selling your home, let us show you the value we bring to the table. We start with a comprehensive marketing strategy, from custom flyers to door knocking. We ensure your property gets maximum exposure to the community and beyond. Our proactive approach includes reaching out directly to the community. We make sure everyone knows your listing, generating interest and excitement before the open house even begins. Here's what I have to say. This is what I do for my business. I do a lot of door knocking. I love door knocking, but sometimes it get a little hot, so that's why I have my little fan out here door knocking, asking people to come to my open house. Well, not asking, just inviting them to my open house. You see, at our open houses, we create a warm, inviting atmosphere, from a welcome entry table to informative materials about your home. We ensure potential buyers feel comfortable and informed. We also feature our preferred lender, making it easy for interested buyers to explore financing options. This added convenience can help attract more serious offers. Instead of just collecting names, we gather detailed feedback from every visitor. This gives us insight into what buyers think about your property, helping us make strategic adjustment if needed. We don't stop when the open house ends. We follow up with the potential buyers the very next day, ensuring they stay engaged and informed. Plus, we add a personal touch with thank you messages, reinforcing their positive experience. During our open houses, we use the latest technology to showcase the best features of your home, ensuring buyers the full value of what's to offer. Our strategic signage draws attention from all directions, increasing foot traffic and maximizing visibility for your listing. Alicia and I are known for getting homes sold in 30 days or less. Hear what a client have to say.
Just gone under contract with my favorite realtor, Fran Brown, and I can tell you it's been a wonderful experience. She is a go-getter. I highly recommend working with Fran. And she says sell your house in 30 days, and I think I was under contract in 2 weeks. So here we are.
That's up.
Thank you, Fran. Love you.
So this is the kind of expertise and efficiency we bring to every sale. So let's get your home sold with Alicia and Fran Chandra. Your home sale is in good expert hands. We're committed to deliver results and making the selling process smooth and successful for you. So thank you and have a beautiful day, and let's get your home sold. Bye.